house is situated on a steep mountain slope, overlooking a vast valley with a view of a golf course and the Tam Dao Mountain range. The steep terrain provides a stunning view, but poses a design challenge regarding access at such a high elevation. The architect's solution divides the property into two parts. The upper block is at the highest point, offering abundant natural light and ventilation. The lower block includes a garage and auxiliary functions, serving as the primary access point from the front road. With a square layout and intersecting circulation spaces, the elongated edges of the house are accessible to natural light and nature